How fast does Ally deposit checks? Intro. Hey there, you just got a big paycheck. You're excited to cash it in and treat yourself. But what if the process takes forever? We've all been there. Today, we're diving into the burning question, how fast does Ally deposit checks? Hook. Ever heard the saying, time is money? Well, when it comes to depositing checks, it couldn't be more true. A quick deposit means you can access your funds sooner, whether it's for a bill, a splurge, or an emergency. So, let's find out if Ally is up to the task. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about the different ways you can deposit a check with Ally. You can do it in person at an Ally bank branch, through their mobile app, or by mailing it in. Each method has its own pros and cons, and the speed of the deposit can vary depending on which one you choose. Ally's deposit methods. Let's start with the most common method, mobile app deposits. This is a convenient option because you can do it from anywhere at any time. Simply take a picture of the front and back of your check, enter the amount, and submit it. Ally usually processes these deposits within a few business days, but sometimes it can take longer, especially if there are any issues with the check. Next up, we have in-person deposits. If you prefer to handle your finances face-to-face, you can visit an Ally bank branch. This method is generally the fastest, as you can deposit your check right away. However, it's important to note that Ally doesn't have as many branches as some of the larger banks, so you may need to travel a bit to find one. Finally, there's the option of mailing in your check. This is the slowest method, as it can take several days for the check to reach Ally and be processed. However, it's a good option if you don't have access to a branch or prefer to avoid using mobile technology. Factors affecting deposit speed. The speed of your check deposit can also be affected by a few other factors. For example, if the check is written on a foreign bank, it may take longer to clear. Additionally, if there are any issues with the check, such as insufficient funds or a stop payment order, it can delay the deposit. Comparing Ally to other banks. Now that we know how Ally handles check deposits, let's compare it to some of its competitors. While Ally's deposit speeds are generally comparable to other online banks, it may not be as fast as some traditional banks. However, Ally offers other benefits, such as no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. Customer reviews and testimonials. To get a better sense of Ally's deposit speed, let's hear from some real customers. We've gathered a few testimonials from people who have recently deposited checks with Ally. They share their experiences and offer insights into how long it took for their funds to become available. Conclusion. So, how fast does Ally deposit checks? The answer is, it depends. The speed of your deposit will vary depending on the method you choose and any potential issues with the check. While Ally's deposit speeds are generally competitive, it may not be the fastest option for everyone. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to deposit checks, Ally's mobile app is a great choice. However, if you need your funds immediately, visiting a branch may be the best option. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Ally is the right bank for you is to try it out and see how it works for you. Call to action. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Ally's check deposit process or want to learn more about their other services, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks.